Hello guys, today I would like to introduce a new feature that I have been working on in SaaSykit for a few weeks now, and this feature has also been one of the features that was requested by many customers. It is one-time passwords. One-time passwords allow you to offer your customers the ability to log in to their accounts using, by entering their email, getting a code sent to their email, and then they can enter this code again in the login or the registration form, and they will be logged in or registered. Up until now, SaaSykit only supported two types of login. The traditional login or the registration, basically username and password, and the other way was social login. So you can also offer your customers the ability to log in via Gmail, Google account, basically Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and so on. But with the introduction of the new one-time passwords, you have now the option to allow your users also to do that, to log in via their email. And so you will have it like the SaaSykit way. Basically, you will be able to enable or disable that from the admin panel whenever you want. So let's have a look at that together now. So I have this feature now enabled. When I click on login, I will be prompted to enter my email. Let's say I will go for admin at admin. This is an already existing account. And then I will click send one-time password. At this moment, SaaSykit will send an email to the customer. We have this tool called MailPit, which we use basically to test receiving emails locally in the development environment. So as you can see now, we got an email with a code. So we can copy that code, go back and enter the code and click login, and then we will be logged in into our account. The same will also happen in the register. So in the registration form, you can enter the email, blah, blah, and the email is blah@blah.com, register. Then once you click register, should also receive an email here with the code. It's sent to blah.blah.com. So copy that one, go back, enter that code, and then we are inside. This ability to log in or register also is implemented on the checkout. So if one of your customers, let's say, wants to buy this subscription, the basic subscription, they would land on the checkout page here, and the checkout page would ask them actually for their email. Let's say this is account, the admin. Once they enter their email, now we know that they are already an existing user, so we prompt the user to send the login code basically. So once this is clicked, also we go back there and we will find the code, we copy the code, we go back, we enter the code, and by the way, you have also the ability to resend the code if the customer wants to do that. Once we click on this one, confirm and pay, then the customer is now logged in and also being redirected to the payment provider so that they can pay right away, all in one page in a very easy way. The same also applies to registration. This could also be happening on the checkout page here. You can say we have this user 100 whatever, then the customer is a non-existing customer, so we prompt the customer to enter their name. So this is my name, and then we create an account and send code. Same happens here also. We go here, find the code to the email, come back, enter the code, confirm and pay, and now the user is registered and also have been also redirected to the payment provider page. If we go back to the admin panel, this is the admin panel of SaaSykit. So I just opened it on another browser because I'm logged in here as an admin. And if you go to general settings and under the authentication and security tab, you can enable or disable this feature. So if you disable this feature, one-time password login, and click save, and then we go back again to Chrome, you will find here that we are back to the traditional login with email and passwords. And one other thing that you can do is that you can combine both of that with the reCAPTCHA. So to add an extra layer of security on top, you can enable reCAPTCHA, for example, and then click Save, and then we go back here. We go back to Chrome, refresh. You will find that reCAPTCHA is here. You can also enable reCAPTCHA with one-time password, and if we go back to Chrome, refresh, you will also find reCAPTCHA here, and we'll also find reCAPTCHA on the registration and on the checkout page and so on. So I hope that you will like this feature and that it will be a great addition to your project. Keep building great stuff, and see you in another video with another feature.